Ever post a beautiful photo online? Maybe it's a mountain at a golden hour or a quiet moment in the forest or a candid street shot, only to have someone zoom in 500%, crop out a random corner and say, there's a bit of chromatic aberration in the branches here. Congratulations, you just met a pixel peeper. These folks are self-appointed gatekeepers of online photography. They don't care about mood, composition, emotion, or even storytelling. No, what matters to them is whether your corner sharpness holds up at 800% zoom on a 42 megapixel image while being viewed on a 3000 8K monitor they still sit 4 inches away from. Let's get one thing straight. Photos are meant to be viewed from a normal distance, arm's length or a little more depending on the size of the photo. Not with your nose pressed against the screen like you're trying to sniff out lens flare. You wouldn't watch a movie by standing directly in front of your 85-inch TV, right? And if you do, well, maybe that explains why you're disappointed in the picture quality. Now, don't get me wrong. Pixel peeping does have its place. Lens reviewers, knock yourself out. You're testing the resolving power of optics, comparing edge sharpness at f1.4 versus f8, and looking at distortion charts. That's the whole point of your job. You're analyzing gear performance, not critiquing someone's sunset photo, taking on a 15-year-old DSLR with a kit lens. Let's also not forget, today's phones and action cameras crank sharpening so high you can practically see in the next week. If that's the level of razor sharp detail you're after, go use one of those. Go wild. Shoot your cat's whiskers with an iPhone and then brag about the clarity of each individual hair follicle. But photography, real photography, has never been about perfect pixels. It's about something. It's about capturing a mood, a moment, a memory. It's not a lab test. Some of the greatest photographs ever taken, war photos, portraits, historical moments, are grainy, soft, and imperfect. And guess what? They still shook the world. Nobody zoomed in to see if the shadows were cleaned at ISO 1600. And this obsession with tack sharp images, it's just killing creativity. Photographers start obsessing over gear instead of ideas. They sharpen their photos to oblivion. Every image looks like it was blasted with HDR steroids and clarity sliders maxed out. And who's it all for? Some anonymous guy on the internet named LensBro69 who still thinks your photo is decent but soft in the corners? Here's a reality check, people. No one in the real world is zooming in 5,000%. They're glancing at your image on their phone while waiting in line in Starbucks. If your photo made them pause, feel something, or just smile for half a second, you've already won. But hey, if you really want every pixel perfect, get into medical imaging or satellite photography. That stuff actually matters at a microscopic level. For the rest of us, let's get back to what photography is supposed to be about. Seeing the world in a way others might miss. Not spending hours scrubbing through the EXIF data and pixel level noise patterns. It's just ridiculous. Really, get a life. So the next time someone zooms in on your image and says, "Oh, your focus looks soft here," just smile and say, "Yeah, because I shot like a photographer, not a microscope." Take care, everyone.